joined by Mr. Dennis Mol accepting the award on behalf of MacGregor.
I'm in the port of Rotterdam, and just a couple of miles away from here, vessels are operating in harsh conditions and unpredictable circumstances, especially the last 2 years. MacGregor plays a vital role in an operation to prevent downtime and to advise on maintenance. I am happy that our customers and Safety4SEA acknowledge and have awarded our developments of Onboard Scout, our condition-based and predictive maintenance solution for mission-critical equipment, including Fix-Me Advice modules. I'm thrilled to accept the SMART4SEA Technology Award on behalf of many proud colleagues from MacGregor and Cargotec who played in this Champion League of maritime innovations among other respected renowned companies and IDs. I would like to thank Safety4SEA to facilitating such an innovation podium for the maritime industry. I would like to thank our customers and partners for their trust and patience to develop together with us and to pilot on their vessels. Last but not least, I would like to thank all colleagues from MacGregor and Cargotec and our internal stakeholders for their endless energy and innovative spirit in developing Onboard Scout. Thank you all, and I'm proud to have the award on behalf of MacGregor. Thank you.